So XRP could be on the verge of a breakout right now, given the market structure I'm seeing on a technical level. So I want to bring you guys up to date with what's happening with that, but not only the technicals, also things that are going on in the macro that I think are affecting the market quite heavily. Looking at XRP's chart, we can see this wedge pattern forming. You can see that we have made this very solid base here, and you can see a little green arrow right there in the bottom of this red candle where I actually added to my position that I've been showing you guys. So right now we have 3,000 XRP and unrealized profit. My my entry is $2.44. So you can see right there is about where I break even on this trade. So I'm sitting pretty comfortably here. If we do come down to retest these previous zones of resistance, I will still actually be okay. I think we'll be quite safe here. And you can see the strategy unfolding right here on the chart, right? So we can see buy, all there, green arrows, right? Then the market pushed all the way up, and then we came all the way down and trying to get close to, not the exact bottom, but close to the bottom here with my next buy. So dollar cost averaging in moments where the market is actually scared, rather than what most of the majority of people do, which is buy up here in euphoria, called confirmation bias, right? People only want to be buying when everyone else is buying, when everyone else is excited. Whereas right now, not many people are excited. In fact, a lot of the market is actually betting we go down further. You can see here on XRP's liquidation map that most people are short on XRP right now, meaning the majority of the market is expecting XRP's price to go down. As a contrarian trader and investor, I'm betting against those people. The same can be said for Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin dictates the market, right? And most people are betting that Bitcoin goes down. So if most people normally in crypto are wrong and Bitcoin actually goes up, I think that will bring the likes of XRP and the large caps with it. I think XRP is going to do very well given the current market environment that we're in and the news we're about to discuss. And looking at some news, right? Last week, Bitwise filed 5 of its flagship crypto ETPs on the SIX Swiss exchange. This also included a physical XRP ETP and an MSCI Digital Asset Select 20 ETP, which holds XRP within it. So this is the rails, right, that we're looking for more mass adoption. On top of that, we also have XRP's confidence in an ETF, an XRP spot ETF, hitting now 98%. And I think this is relatively inevitable to come. At least an ETF that has a basket of stocks for these American-based cryptos, or at least maybe the top 10 or top 5 altcoins outside of Bitcoin. And I think this is going to be a massive liquidity hunt or a liquidity driver for XRP in the crypto market, given I think a lot of people want exposure to altcoins, but they don't necessarily want to learn how to use crypto exchanges or learn how to trade on chain. On top of this, we have Binance now buying millions of Ethereum every minute, but just a few days ago they were dumping. So as you know, I think that the market is very manipulated, whether it's Binance or other manipulators. That's what I think is going on right now. We have made a new higher low here about 107,300. We've come up here, we've retested the top line of this resistance, and now we're getting somewhat rejected, but in the short term I want to hold 110,000. So then maybe we're just going to bounce and then break out, and we might finally have the breakout for Bitcoin, and the breakout for Bitcoin will affect the altcoins. It already is right now, and I think it's going to be very nice for XRP. I entered at $2.81, now in a small $280 profit, but this could continue to rise as we go. So hopefully I'll make some profit there. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.